Hi guys, so today quick discussion lang tayo dito kay Hamster Combat and yung mga top to earn. Meron tayo ditong list sa ating pinaka-telegram. Bali, pangatlo ito sa list ko, si Hamster Combat. No? Maraming mga nagtatanong dito ano yung pinaka-perspective ko dito. As you can see guys, kaka-start lang din natin. No? So, I think July yung pinaka-listings nito as per my research dito. But again, itong video natin today is just my own idea lang. And doon sa mga nagtatanong, hope this video helps and hope this video acknowledge you guys, no. So as of now, upon observation, sobrang decent nung kanilang following sa YouTube, no, as well as sa kanilang X or previously Twitter, na follow ata ito ni Phantom, isang under Solana wallet. And as per observation dito guys, just like Natcoin, kailangan lang mag tap yung pinaka profit per hour mo. Dito yung mga earn details pa that you can get, no. Kailangan mo dito, meron kang Telegram. Lalay ko na lang yung mga official links sa description ng video na to ng mga potential exchange na pwedeng malist itong application na ito. But for now guys, I just give my neutral perspective lang dito. Dito you can just get, like for example, daily combo ay makikita natin. You can also invite your friends. So dito sa earn, as we can see, you can get additional rewards or points dito, just like watching yung academy video nila, tas yung other drama on YouTube guys, no. Daily reward meron sila dito. Ayan, we can claim and like magre-reflect na yun doon sa pinaka dashboard mo, no. So dito sa airdrop, we can see na pwede nating i-connect through Tonekeeper guys, no? So Tonekeeper, maybe I'll give some update na lang dito in the next coming weeks or days. It depends kasi yung Natcoin, we just give on step by steps, no, yung comprehensive guide how to withdraw your Natcoins, no. So ito will give some updates dito and perspective, but then again guys, yung mga ganito is on my end, wag lang masyadong mag-assume or wag lang masyado na mag-expect ng sobra, no. Like what happened on Natcoins na sobrang dami mong na-claim tapos pag listings na-convert into points. And another one guys is that since meron ang pinaka-legacy na top to earn, which is Natcoin, marami talagang gagaya guys, no. Ito, si Hamster Combat, and meron pa akong isa mamaya, i-share ko na lang din. On my own perspective guys, isa pa rin sa magiging leading is Natcoin guys, no. Ito, magiging, it depends pa rin ito guys, no. I don't have this magic ball to exactly give insights dito, pero as per my experience, ang daming mga pwedeng gayahin yung kay Natcoin, just like this one, and don't expect more talaga dito. Yung founder nung Natcoins or yung Telegram is that sobrang transparent guys, no, pero this one hindi totally transparent pa. So that's one of the other factors na kailangan din natin i-consider. Since free lang din naman ito, just careful lang and don't expect too much talaga na, like for example pag listings, no. So ito din during free time, I think it's good kasi it's free lang nga, and during free time I think this is one example na pwede mong pagkakaabalahan kung wala kang ginagawa. If tapos ka na ng mga daily needs or daily chores mo, tapos ka na magbasa ng libro, yung productive yung day mo, tapos meron kang naiwan na oras, I think this one is good example na pwedeng mag-acknowledge doon sa time mo, no? With that you can tap and earn dito, no. So yun, marami nagtatanong if it's late na ba. Actually kaka-start ko lang din guys, na-busy tayo the past couple of weeks dito and hindi ko ito na sabayan, just like or comparing to Natcoin na sobrang aga talaga natin kay Natcoin, pero this one I think medyo matagal na ito na launch. On my own, I honestly say na medyo late na ako dito. So yung earn per tap ko is +2 pa lang, and sobrang baba pa lang ng ating pinaka tier dito, nasa silver pa lang tayo, no. So yun, as per observation, if ever man magkaroon ng demand or magkaroon ng momentum yung top to earn, I think Natcoin will still on the top pa rin guys, no. And yung mga or yung top to earn sector na iba kagaya nitong si Hamster Combat is like potential consolidate or it depends guys, no, kasi we'll see in the next coming months pa rin ito. As mentioned kanina, wag masyado mag-expect ng sobra talaga dito, no. So yun yung isa sa pinaka-perspective ko lang dito kay Hamster Combat. Marami ditong details pa if ever man na magkaroon ito ng update for the exchanges na malist paano i-claim. I'll give my perspective na lang din dito, just like what we give perspective kay Natcoin na step by step paano mag-withdraw, no? So, for now, meron pa dito guys, which is itong si TapSwap guys, no? So, itong kay TapSwap naman, ayan, start ulit ako. Kaka-start ko lang din. I can actually play. So, kay TapSwap naman, I think if I'm not mistaken, Trust Wallet ata yung nag-follow naman dito sa kanilang Twitter. Ito, meron din ditong pinaka-referrals, merong task, meron din ditong tap, boost, and other stats guys, no? So, yun, isa ito sa mga list ng top to earn ko. Ayoko magdagdag. Ang dami dito guys sa Telegram. Please be careful, no? Please be careful sa Telegram kasi merong mga fake, merong mga like magkiklik ka ng link pero hindi siya totally verified. Potentially, pwede ka pang ma-scam guys, no? So, please be careful dito sa Telegram. Maraming mga links dito na nagsilabasan. Don't click if you are not sure doon sa isang link or doon sa Telegram na link na kiniklik nyo guys, no? So please be careful. Make sure to ask questions guys. Pwede kayo magtanong ng question dito sa ating comment section ng video na ito if ever man nahisitan kayo doon sa link, no? So ito bali yung mga official links nito, itong bagong dalawang Hamster Combat at itong TapSwap ay ilalay ko na lang guys dito sa description ng video na ito para mapuntahan nyo and para na rin makaiwas sa mga phishing links online dito guys, no? Other perspective, if ever man na meron ako ditong idea pa, updates dito, I just give my own perspective dito. Maraming mga nagtatanong pa, other updates or details dito. May mga nagtatanong din in terms of hesitations dito kasi baka wala din silang makuha in terms na magkaroon ng listings. Make sure lang guys na tama yung ginamit nyo na official links and tama talaga yung pinaka-project na na-click nyo guys, no? Kasi ang daming mga dummies, ang daming mga ginagaya lang tapos mali pala yung ginagamit mo na Telegram link guys. So yun, I thoroughly verified naman dito but as mentioned kanina, hindi talaga, don't expect too much lang talaga dito guys, no? So yun yung isa sa mga perspective ko dito and please be careful with your account dito as well as your personal informations, no? So ang dami pa ditong mga tips guys na maybe in the next coming videos kung paano palakihin ito. I'll explore this one pa since kakasimula lang din natin. And yun, I'll keep you posted na lang guys dito sa mga updates kay Hamster Combat and other top to earn. Ito is for community feedback guys, no? We are busy the past couple of days dahil meron tayong tournament, meron tayong sinalihan na tournament, meron naman tayong live dyan sa ating YouTube channel. Yun, hope you get some ideas dito, hope you get some insights dito if ever man na meron pang updates dito and like kung paano i-transfer in the next coming weeks or months. I'll keep you posted na lang dito guys, no? Make sure to subscribe, turn all the bell icon sa ating YouTube channel, like this video guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood, ingat tayong lahat, peace out, bye for now.